The Minnesota Importance Questionnaire, or the MIQ, looks at what an individual's satisfaction in a work environment and what is the best predictors are to determine the satisfactory work environment. The MIQ is an instrument designed to measure 20 psychological needs and 6 underlying values that have been found to be relevant to work adjustment, specifically to satisfaction with work. 20 needs are ability utilization, achievement, activity, advancement, authority, compensation, coworkers, creativity, independence, moral value, recognition, responsibility, security, social service, social status, supervision, human relations, supervisions, technical, variety, and working conditions. Needs reflect a more basic grouping of preferences called values. The 20 MIQ needs can be represented by 6 underlying values. These values are achievement value, comfort value, status value, altruism value, safety value, and autonomy value. There are 2 different forms that use the MIQ. The first form is a paired form. This form asks individuals to choose the most important statement from a pair. From these choices, it is possible to determine the relevant level of importance in the individual of each of the 20 statements. This helps determine which needs are more important than others and also which needs are not important at all. The second form is a ranked form, or more specifically, the multiple ranked order instrument. This form presents need statements in a group of 5. This form requires the individual to rank order the 5 statements in each group according to their relative importance. The MIQ is important to use. The MIQ is appropriate to use with adults or high school students of both sexes. It has a reading level of about the 5th grade, and at this time the MIQ should not be used on individuals younger than 16 years old. Typically, the MIQ is self-administered with a counselor supervising the first couple of questions to make sure the client understands how to answer the questions. The individual should go with their first reaction, as this is typically their true feeling. Typically, one would use the MIQ in a counseling in times like when a client interpretation of the meaning of need satisfaction or need statements, client self-estimations of needs, counselor estimation of client needs, objective assessment of needs, or correspondence of needs to occupations. The MIQ has been shown to be a highly reliable instrument, with reliability being ranged from a 0.77 to a 0.81. Several validity studies of the MIQ have indicated that it measures what it was intended to measure.